Everybody come in, this is an invitation, but not another bad creation. Why you mad and pacing outside on the city roads? Or don't you know that it's 10 below? I know you got your scarf tucked with matching gloves and got some hot Starbucks and a plastic mug, but there's holes in your clothes and soles, and tell the truth, I ain't never seen boots with open toes. You need to know, there's a daddy who loves ya. That fake love ain't gon' do much but crush ya. You should blush cause he got his mind on you, and he's waiting outside and his eyes are glued to the horizon, waiting to see his child arrive. And surprising? No. Unsure of what this man's implying? No. You are worth dying for, hard to ignore like a lion's roar. It's cold outside.